The 2019 rice harvest has been characterised as quite a difficult year this year, mainly because of the very high temporary water prices and low water availability. Notwithstanding that yields and quality this year has been some of the best that we've seen. As a group, we would like to thank those growers who've supported the rice industry year in, year out, and once again have produced a crop this year. Harvest across the Riverina started in March this year. In total, we're expecting over 50,000 tonnes to be delivered, and already we've had some exceptional yields. So despite the difficult year, we've seen some exceptional results.
Had a fantastic result. My Dungara crop yielded 14 tonnes a hectare with 11.9 megs, and I was very happy with the result. Being a light year for water this year, I decided to try direct drilling because I had the time to put into it. It stood up to the hot weather compared to other crops.
Once again this season we've seen an increased proportion of crops being drill sown, and again we're seeing some tremendous results. On the whole, we're seeing water use savings of between 1 to 2 megalitres per hectare, and in particular we had two crops grown side by side under identical conditions, one drill sown and one traditional, with the drill sown crop coming out a tonne per hectare higher in yield, whilst also using a megalitre less of water per hectare.
The value of rice doesn't end at harvest. It continues on. We're baling our rice straw at the moment, then we plant a direct drill wheat into it, which will keep giving us a return for another 6 to 8 months.
So at SunRice we continue to do a lot of work on our contracting and input funding facilities for growers. So once again we're looking forward to offering growers increased options around contracting and our traditional pool, whilst also increasing the flexibility in the use of our Grow Rice input funding facility, which when the crops return, we think more than ever coming out of drought will be a really important tool for rice growers next season. Sustainability is one of the key things at SunRice. Our customers demand it, and indeed we lead the world in our sustainability credentials. So this year we're increasing our rollout and pilot of the Sustainable Rice platform across the Riverina to capture the data and demonstrate just how sustainable we are. Key to sustainability is a whole ecological system, and the rice farming system, as we know, can present a really good environment for a number of endangered birds, including the bittern. And we've seen up to 7 bitten birds in one crop alone in the Riverina this year, which is quite incredible. Overall, despite the difficult conditions this year, we're looking forward to rice production returning to normal levels when the water returns. We've got most of our growers sitting there saying they really want to grow rice, and they're looking forward to growing it again in increasing volumes when those waters finally are allocated.